So welcome to our tutorial. So now what we're talking about now is the pulling energy. Pulling energy? What's that? So Instructor Jim, what is pulling energy? My, this is what we're talking about here. See?
I pull his arm and prevent the knee from hitting me. Like that.
Look, my elbow here.
And my punch lands in his face.
Look at the elbow. I can't elbow her. She's controlling me. And her arm is here to prevent this kind of attack. You punch like this one, I can attack like this one. Okay? So prevent this one. So
You put
control the person,
your arm.
control the person, and punch it, controlling the person. Okay? Can we do it again? Once again, I will punch. Watch YouTube viewers. Okay? Ready? And again. And one time. And the last time. As you can see, she's putting her arms always at my hands. Maybe you will ask, the person can do this. Fuck no. Why? That's why you're pulling the person. You're preventing him to curve.
It's always straight when you pull. And when you put this arm in his bicep, he can't do this.
Yeah.
He can't do that.
At the same time, you're pulling the person.
And you're hurting
Yes.
his face. He's
But-
going there. Same time you're pulling.
And if we show it in the other side, it looks like this one. Yeah. See? I can't fucking elbow this beautiful girl. Can't. Now, let's give situation. Maybe you will ask, what if the guy is Incredible Hulk, big guy, like that. So how can we pull that person that's such big that like this one? That I can pull. This person is very strong.
Maybe in your life-threatening situation, or that may happen to you, you will encounter a big man, a big bad person. So we will teach about that.
So if you do that, boys and girls, please listen. Let's say I will be the one. Okay? Let's say this is a guy, big guy, very bad. Instead of only using your hands as I said, when person punch, go away with the center line. Okay? This is your center line. If not, look, where's the punch? This. So imagine if my face is in the center, what will happen to me? Go away to the center line. This is the center line. Go away with that. Okay? So go away. Imagine, imagine. Look at the arms. Will knock me off. Okay? So go away. Grab. Punch. And as I said, put your arms in this part, the elbow part. Okay? And please don't relax her. Don't relax her. If you do, what will happen to you is, if this arm relax when it slides here, this attack will not land to her face. Because what? See? I'm relaxed. I'm relaxed again. Where the punch go? And what will happen to me? I will be the one. So, So let's go back what we're talking about is when the person is a big guy, what will you do
Big guy.
instead of just using your hand to pull the person, pull, okay? What will you do is to use your other leg to step back. Don't just step back, jumping out, you're sucking food, okay? Use your leg to step, just one leg to step back so you can find the person like this one. It looks like this one. See? Again, let's just step back here. See? I'm using my one leg to step back so I can pull. Maybe you will tell me, in the earlier tutorial, Master M, that we're talking about the range, right? You watch that if you fucking watch that, okay? Please watch that. Sorry for the noise. It's just we're just in the room. That's a vehicles, okay? The noise around it, that's a vehicles, okay? Look at our range. So, if he try to do it to me, change position. She tried to do it to me, and she stepped back. The purpose of the step back is even so she have please step back. She have a short range. When she pull me, what will happen? Please pull me. It will still land in my face. And the same time I can attack. Even so I attack, please block. She block and please attack me. She can again attack me. Again, let's look it again. I punch. She step back. She punched me. I want to punch her. She block, and she can also again attack me. See, it's very painful. So I hope you understand. Or basic. This is just a basic. Yet you're not even watching the much more advanced technique. This is just a basic. So, but basics is very essential, beneficial for you. So, practice every day with your partner. Boys and girls, if you like. If you're a lover there, you can do it also. Before you kiss your lover, please practice first, okay? So, you understand what I'm talking about? So, practice with your partner there. Also with your sister, teach your younger or older sister so she can protect herself for the bad guys. So, this is your instructor, Jill, okay? So, she already learned a lot of Wing Chun martial arts, and she's not even yet showing you.
So, watch out for that.
Stay tuned. This person's very quick. She's not just showing it yet because maybe the girl viewer will not catch up. Or what kind of speed? She can. This is a woman, huh? This is a woman. So practice every day. See you in our next tutorial.